this will be the elevators at Stamford Center. This place actually consists of 2 towers, but the elevators in each tower are identical, so I'll just film one. Looks like they had much bigger call stations than this. These got modernized with GAL, so it's an interesting mod indeed. Here it is. These things are actually pretty fucking quick for 17 floors. Or 18 floors, sorry. I like this little panel. Interesting lock. I think that's a GAL key switch, but don't quote me on that. We're stopping on 9 or 10.
Thank you.
Going down?
Hi guys, are you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
We're more than all right. It's a beautiful day.
Yes. I know some people like in the elevator, they're like, oh my god, there's so many people.
Oh yeah, no, we're
Okay.
chill. I'm getting my
Sorry.
second vaccine right after this, so I'm chilling.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think you'll be sick for a few days?
Who knows? Either way, it's better than COVID.
Yeah, right.
So say my 91-year-old grandpa got his. He's had heart attacks, health issues. He had no issues except his arm was sore the second one, which for him was a win. Like that was all he had. My mom got hers and she hasn't had anything.
I got
Oh, wow.
I'm getting the Pfizer, and I've heard the Moderna's worse, so.
Oh, yeah. I know there's so many things.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, take care.
You too. Have a good shot.
Thank you. For a second, I thought she was talking about my video, and she said, have a
Yeah.
good shot. I'm like, oh, the
Oh,
COVID vaccine,
yeah.
she means.
Oh my god, it has a pickup on that thing.
Oh, yeah, it's cool. See, it
That's
has-
cool.
Yeah, they have a lot of these little screens in Chicago, you know, for you to look at in the elevator. I know, it's so, 30 seconds, not even, it's so long. All right, and that's it.